The internet is a great place to research products and read user reviews, but sometimes there can be too much of a good thing. Take this Garmin GPS unit for example. It has over 2,000 reviews. Seriously, who has the time to make sense of them all? To help you deal with this information overload, we invented Pluribo. Pluribo automatically summarizes user reviews. It uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to read all of the reviews on a web page and condense them down to just a couple of lines. Pluribo is available right now as a Firefox plugin, and is capable of summarizing product reviews on Amazon's web pages. We already had the plugin installed on this machine, so let's take a look at an example. I've been thinking about getting an iPod Nano, so let's type it into Amazon. When I click onto the product page, Pluribo will go into action at the bottom of the screen, so watch carefully. Here we go. You can see at the bottom of the screen that Pluribo is scanning all of the reviews. Those are actual excerpts from all the reviews that it's scanning, and boom, it's done. It's taken over 700 reviews and condensed them down into just a couple of sentences. The summary says, "This is a good choice. Despite concerns with the tendency to scratch, people are happy with the design, display, and great sound." Remember, all of this was generated by an algorithm. Nobody sat down and wrote this by hand. That means it's always up to date and free from editorial bias. Although the summaries are brief, you can hover over various keywords to get more depth about what people thought. Like, let's look at tendency to scratch. We can see from the dial that people thought that the scratching for this item was pretty bad. They said things like, it scratches, back scratches, a few small scratches. Now, if you're the kind of person that wants to see all the quantitative data at the same time, you can just hover over scores, and you'll get this handy little chart. It's kind of like turning Amazon into Consumer Reports, but with one key difference. Pluribo is free. Well, that's it for the demo. If you like what you've seen, please install our Firefox plugin. Keep in mind that our plugin works best for electronics right now, but we're adding new categories all the time. So give it a spin and let us know what you think.